A tragic accident occurred in Sydney's southern suburbs when a heavy-duty vehicle collided with 4 cars during peak-hour traffic on Thursday morning. 6 individuals were hospitalized after the collision, which unfolded on Forest Road in Arncliffe. The incident, captured on video, showed a ute swerving into a group of vehicles before striking 3 additional cars nearby. At least 2 of the affected vehicles sustained severe damage, with one driver reporting critical injuries. Emergency services swiftly responded, transporting 6 patients to the hospital, while one person suffered life-threatening injuries. The crash caused significant disruptions to morning traffic in the area, prompting immediate police intervention to investigate the circumstances. Police, based in New South Wales, are currently reviewing the details of the incident, including the driver's actions and the sequence of events. The footage, which highlights the chaos of the moment, has sparked discussions about road safety and driver vigilance, especially during high-traffic periods. But here's where it gets controversial. Was the driver's sudden lane change a mistake, or was it a calculated maneuver? As the investigation continues, the community is left wondering, what lessons can be learned from this harrowing experience?